guys, it's Brooke with WTI.
We are decorating our new baby's room due in March, and I wanted a chair that would be comfortable not only for the baby, but also for just everyday life. This chair by Wahson is exactly what I was looking for. I love the look of it. It is so nice, and the chenille fabric feels so beautiful also while being comfortable and durable. I love that it is a bit reclined, so it is very comfortable to sit in and it rocks very easily. It was also super simple to put together, and it came with the tools needed, which was just this Allen wrench, which made it super easy. I also love that it has this felt strip to protect your floor on the bottom of the legs. Even though the baby's not here yet, we spend a lot of time in this chair, whether it's in the nursery or even in the living room. It looks beautiful and it's a great addition.
Whether you're looking for a new rocking chair for your nursery or you need a new chair for your living room, this one is super comfortable, very easy to put together, and it looks great. I highly recommend it. We love it, and you will too, and that's my point of view.